Where you going, Mr. Roscoe? Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. First rule of Fight Club. Never turn your back on a rooster. I'm out of here. Hey, shovelheadffej here in the shovelhead shed, and today I got a package in the mail from Paul G. I don't think you probably want your last name, but anyway, he's from Euclid, Ohio. And Paul, come on, man. Whew, look at this. Man, it cost 26 bucks. Man. Anyway, I'm going to open up the package. We'll see what's inside. See, even the rooster's happy. All right, let me get this open, and then I'll get right back to you. See what's inside here. You know, as you know or may not know, that at the end of my videos and in my description, I have my address. If people want to send me things like a new motorcycle, $1 billion, a sticker, whatever. So anyway, I do have my address, and I get stuff all the time from people. I say all the time, I get stuff from people, stickers and stuff like that. Some people don't want their name mentioned. Some people don't, you know, they just say, you know, thanks and all that other good stuff. So anyway, I'm going to open this up. He contacted me. He DM'd me on Instagram and asked for my address. And I think he said this is for something for me and for chopper rod. So give me a second and I'll open it up. Trying to keep his name covered up. He may not want nobody to know. Man, this is like Christmas. I'm so excited. Got a letter in here. You know what? I'm going to read this because it may be kind of personal, but let me read it in a minute. And if it's not personal, I'll read it. I guess he's... Paul, you been to Yosemite? Man, oh man. Paul, that is cool. That is cool as crap. I haven't announced it yet, but I'm building another chopper. I haven't announced it because I was still waiting for the motor. This tank is going to go on it. And the chopper rod's going to have to wait for the next thing. This is cool, man. This is really friggin' cool. Man, I appreciate this. Paul, Euclid, Ohio, thank you, man. Thank you very much. That is cool. Paul, I appreciate that so much, man. I mean, I'm freaking happy because, wow, that's above and beyond and never, I mean, man, a freaking tank, you know, cool little peanut tank, an 883. I'm not putting an 883 in there. I think I'm going to put an Evo in it. I think that's what I'm going to do. And, but I don't care. Just be cool to have it on the tank. And that is awesome, man. Thank you very much. I do appreciate it. I am very, very touched and very, very happy, man. Peace.